Hold on tight, folks, because you are about to witness the future of luxury SUVs. Get ready for an exclusive first look at the insane interior of the 2026 Cadillac Escalade-V. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into something truly special, the interior of the all-new 2026 Cadillac Escalade-V. Now, I know what you're thinking, another Escalade review? But trust me, this isn't just any Escalade. This is the V, and Cadillac has completely outdone themselves with the interior. We're talking about a level of luxury and technology that's almost unreal. First impressions? Absolutely breathtaking. The design is a beautiful blend of modern minimalism and classic Cadillac opulence. Think premium leather, real wood accents, and meticulously crafted details everywhere you look. The attention to detail is simply astounding. The seats are incredibly comfortable and supportive, perfect for long road trips. And the technology? Forget about it. We're talking about a massive curved OLED display that spans the entire dashboard, providing crystal clear information and seamless integration with all of the vehicle's systems. The ambient lighting is customizable and creates a truly immersive experience. This isn't just an interior. It's a sanctuary. Cadillac truly understood the assignment, and they've delivered an interior that sets a new benchmark for luxury SUVs. Seriously. Everything from the stitching on the seats to the feel of the leather-wrapped steering wheel screams quality and craftsmanship. It is just impossible to find something to dislike. Let's talk more about the tech, because it's seriously impressive. The Escalade-V boasts a cutting-edge infotainment system that's intuitive and responsive. The voice control is also top-notch, allowing you to easily manage everything from navigation to climate control. The sound system is absolutely phenomenal, delivering concert hall quality audio. Whether you're listening to your favorite music or enjoying a podcast, the experience is unparalleled. And the connectivity options are endless, with multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility. But it's not just about the tech. It's about how it's integrated into the overall design. Cadillac has done a fantastic job of creating a seamless and user-friendly experience. The controls are well placed and easy to reach, and the